Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Gyroscope on Call of Duty Mobile. The Gyroscope sensor is available on smartphone that helps player to perform the important actions by tilting the devices. You can also use it on Call of Duty Mobile to manage the recoil of the weapons in the game. In order to enable Gyroscope on Call of Duty Mobile, first, open your Call of Duty mobile game on your mobile devices and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the settings button at the top right hand corner and then tap on Basic from the left hand side menu. From the Basic tab, scroll down until you see the Gyroscope option. Now tap on where it says Gyroscope. Once you do that, you'll be able to enable Gyroscope on Call of Duty Mobile. You can now go back to the main homepage and try playing a game like you normally do. And now that is how you'll be able to enable Gyroscope on Call of Duty Mobile. You can now notice that once you turn on this feature, the player will be able to perform important actions by tilting the devices while playing the game. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorials like this. Keep watching till then.